Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm back, and what better way than to do an unboxing. This is the Haas 4x4 VXL, and it should be the orange and purple. This is pretty much the only color they had available. I've been wanting one for a while. I've heard good things about it, so let's get into it. This is the front of the box, side of the box. As you can see, it is this color. The back of the box that's the other color. I actually have a Rustler in this color, a 4x4 VXL, so that's why I went with this color. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox. And right away we have the transmitter. And this is your standard Traxxas transmitter, nothing special there. Pull this out. And we have the car. Pull it on out here. Got our little paperwork. Put the box down here. And here is the truck. Pretty sweet, huh? I like the color. Color's not too bad. It's kind of bright, kind of pops a little bit. I'll go ahead and take our body off. Now hopefully this body's more easy to put on than the Rustler body. That one's kind of a pain to put on. But here's our color scheme for this one. Nice bright orange and purple. It's got a nice color to it. And oh, that new Traxxas smell. Love it. Can't get enough of it. Good suspension. Looks like it comes pre-installed with a fan on the ESC. And here's our battery tray. And our main shaft is encased in plastic. Kind of reminds me of the 4x4 Stampede, the way this looks on the inside. It's got good suspension. I like the wheelie bar that's built in there. It's pretty cool. And from what I hear, this thing will do some wheelies. So there she is, guys. And see, we have our bag of parts, standard Traxxas parts, stickers and whatnot. See how easy this is to get the body back on here. Sometimes this can be a pain depending on what car it is. It goes down like that, and that goes down like that. Oh, it's not too bad. That wasn't too bad at all. Wasn't too painful at all to put that on. I was kind of worried about that. I like the new body styles that Traxxas is coming out with, but some of them can be, like I said, the Rustler is kind of a hassle to get that body on and off. But yeah, nice looking ride. Can't wait to get her out running. We're gonna go straight into the 3S and see what she can do. See, we got the chrome rims here. That's pretty cool. I like the tires. They got some good tread on them too. Sledgehammer tires. That's pretty cool. I like the way that Traxxas is starting to put these trucks with wheelie bars pre-installed. I remember when I bought my first Rustler, I had to actually purchase that separately. And it's good to see that Traxxas is stepping up their game. I like the way this truck sits. It's a pretty nice truck. I like it. The front end of it there, good suspension. I think the first upgrades I'll probably do to it is maybe put a LED kit on it so I can drive it at night. And the tires are pretty good, so nothing really much to do there. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, these are the standard drive shafts, so those will probably get blown out with 3S. So we'll have to upgrade to some steel CVDs or some dog bones or something. But other than that, sweet truck. I'm impressed. I like it a lot. This is what you get in the box. That is the total package. The Traxxas Haas 4x4 VXL. I'll probably be making some more videos on this one just to show how it runs, and yeah, so look forward to that, guys. Looks like we'll do a run video soon, and see you next time. Later.